The mile-a-minute vine is a new invasive plant species in Indiana that people need to be on alert for. It originates in East Asia and has become very problematic in the U.S. The mile-a-minute vine invades and damages agricultural crops, smothers tree seedlings, and disrupts nursery and horticulture crops that have not been tilled. Infestations can disrupt animal habitat and prevent human recreational use of green spaces. Restoring infested areas can cost hundreds to thousands of dollars. The mile-a-minute vine has a rapid growth rate relative to other plant species, growing up to 20 feet in one season. It can climb and entwine itself around neighboring plants and cover them from light, which limits their ability to photosynthesize, in turn weakening these plants. The reason why this vine has such rapid growth rate and spread is because their seeds are easily dispersed by animals and activity in the ecosystem. Things like water, birds, human activity, and white-tailed deer all play a role in dispersing its seeds. It also has early spring germination, giving it a competitive advantage over native plants. It also continues to germinate into the growing season. Think you found mile-a-minute? Here's how to identify it. Mile-a-minute has equilateral triangular leaves. Its stems have recurved barbs and are typically red. Mile-a-minute also has deep blue berries and has a funnel-shaped leaf structure known as a connate leaf that is located below the berries at the node. When identifying mile-a-minute, also be careful of its lookalikes. One of its lookalikes is Convolvulus arvensis, also known as bindweed. Bindweed has triangular leaves that are not the same length on all sides. Their leaves also have a divot at the base, making them appear slightly heart-shaped. Another common lookalike is climbing false buckwheat, which has triangular or heart-shaped leaves but contains no connate leaf. This lookalike also has red stems but never has berries. If you find mile-a-minute, what can you do? To start, you can avoid disturbing areas infested with mile-a-minute. Clean clothing and shoes after hiking and spread the word. 2% triclopyr as a foliar spray can be used from June to September with a surfactant. Always use gloves when handling mile-a-minute to avoid spines. You can use garden rakes to take down large vines, destroy seeds before germination, or create shade where mile-a-minute cannot thrive. Ensure all berries are picked up so the vine cannot continue to grow even after being removed. If you find mile-a-minute, report it at edmaps.org/report. For more information about the mile-a-minute vine, visit mciris.org or contact MCIRIS at mciris2022@gmail.com.